single asset view is a new view in facilities management, which shows everything related to an asset. So let's have a look. I've come into AssetWhere, selected the Adams building and the design lab because I want to go and look at the air conditioning unit there. So now I can see everything that relates to this one individual asset, the make, the model, the serial number. I can see if there's any checklists that have been created, any historic work requests, etc., both scheduled and ad hoc. And I can see any documents that have been attached to this individual asset. But the best bit, I can also see the history. So all the work that's previously been scheduled, I can now view that as I can with the ad hoc job requests. So everything is at my fingertips from this one screen, making it really easy for the facilities manager or the business manager to manage these assets. But the best bit is I can create a job directly from this screen. The associated asset details are attached to that job request, and all I have to do is fill it in. So one easy place now to check all of the key information about an asset, its work history, any checklists, documents, etc., and also create a new work request if I need to.